One thing I love about working as a technologist is the impact that you have on people and to see the value that my products and services are able to bring to customers by accelerating their lives and making it simpler for them to handle their day-to-day activities just through technology. And it's very proud for me to say that. My name is Maina, and this is my story. Initially, I wanted to do medicine. I really struggled to pick what kind of career or direction I wanted to move in. When I joined university, I was doing informatics and computer science. My current role is a mobile engineer. I work with the Apple ecosystem and specialize in iOS development. So I'm able to work on personal projects that I'm able to experiment with new tools and technologies and then apply that to real-world projects through my clients and engagements. What I love most about being in the tech community is a sense of belonging and a shared purpose. You find individuals from diverse groups and cultures are able to come together to learn, grow, and find themselves in a more productive environment. What brings me joy outside work is engaging my creative mind, and I do that through textured art painting. It's a form of tactile experience that you won't normally find with flat art. Here you're able to evoke different emotions from human beings. That's through touch, as much as you're able to also engage in other senses. I hope to inspire people and also foster a deeper understanding of the beauty and complexity of the world that we live in. I chose to use textured paint because it's uncommon and it also provides a versatility that you won't normally see with flat art. I'm not limited to just a canvas. I'm also able to create different textures through the spaces that I'm in. Could be my wall and it could be a wall piece as well. I like to challenge myself and also keep an open mind as to what it is that I can create. My environment is my inspiration. I got the opportunity to mentor at a program that helps young women learn more about technology or the technology process and become technologists. And we have a very low representation of women within the technology space. Increasing the number of women in technology would largely increase the talent pool for technologists around the world, create a better environment that is more diverse and inclusive. And the impact that this has had is the women I mentored ended up becoming technologists and now mentor other people within the community. And this has fostered for more women to join the technology space. And we were handing the baton to the next generation of women technologists. I first discovered Andela through my friend's laptop. This was we were in the student center and they happened to have their laptop open with a sticker on it, and I went ahead and applied, and I think the rest, as I say, is history from there. I was very new to technology. I didn't know about it, and here I had people who are willing to bring me into that environment and actually teach me. So the bootcamp took about 2 weeks and it was an intensive process. You spent majority of your time coding. I ran my first piece of code with Andela. That was a Python project and we were supposed to write a function during the interview process. Andela had a profound impact at the start of my career. I was very green with technology and they gave me a solid foundation for my technical skills. I was able to meet industry professions and experts and as well create global connections with people, which accelerated my tech career. Andela has helped me upskill and also re-upskill through their programs, some of their learning programs. Andela has improved the quality of life for me and also that of my family through financial stability, offering career options or career advancement opportunities, as well as personal fulfillment. The impact that I get to see some of my projects have is very profound and something that I deeply care for.